Hello everybody, this is Bill. Hello to the QDT family. I want to go through some dashboards today and we can take a look at what machine learning is predicting for the overall market. Starting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is predicted to retrace up to 20,300-ish and then start to come back down and hit a low of 14,709 by 2023 January sometime. And it is important to note that every day new information comes into these machine learning models, and so the models are constantly updating every single day. So right now, as of today, let's call the low at about 15,000. Okay, so moving on to the S&P 500 is predicted to have some wild rides here up and down, but overall direction is down, and we're looking at a low of 34.97 sometime in December. So we are going to have some whipsaws up and down. That's what this is telling us on the S&P 500. I also have some SPY models here, which I have recently built. There's quite a few of them. Each model probably has about 10,000 predictors inside of it. And SPY is a little bit more bearish. The underlying tone of the S&P 500 is down. I'm sure we are going to have some whipsaws back and forth. Let's take a look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq is also predicted to come down with some whipsaws back and forth. Low sometime in November, 10,725 sometime in November. So November seems to be when at least some lows are going to appear. Now that may change as we move closer to November, because remember, every day new information is coming into these models and these models are updating themselves. DIA is still predicting end of the world. Put your food in Tupperware containers because it's the end of the world, and it's DIA, which is the Dow Jones ETF. It's predicted to absolutely melt down, and it's supposed to come down way down here sometime in December. So we'll see what happens there. Apple predicted to come down. We're going to have maybe some upside quickly and then some downside. Again, I like to look at Apple because I kind of consider it its own, almost like an index. You know, it is so big and so much volume and so powerful that it is predicted to come down as well. China has been crashing, and no big surprise, real estate crisis, all kinds of crisis everywhere. China wanting to take over Taiwan, etc. War, threats of war. And November is when we're supposed to come down to the low in China. And then we have Nikkei, which is Japan. Japan seems to be more of a sideways consolidation, and we will see what happens here, and whipsaws up and whipsaws down. It looks very almost untradeable, but we'll see. For now anyway, just a lot of whipsaw up and down. And then finally, we have the strategy on the S&P 500. So this is what we're supposed to do today. This green line is the equity curve, and we are talking about full short. It's predicting full short today. If we look at everything combined, we are coming down, period, end of story. And we'll see how the strategies, we'll see how the models, we'll see how everything updates itself every single day. Thank you very much for listening to my video, and good luck out there.